萌萌，我在展厅接待，你跟他联系一下，因为这边我先接待客户了，在展厅。Okay, so this is the basic our solution. So we have a complete solution for the sheet metal fabrication. Okay, maybe this is examples. So this is a EV charger. So this EV charger, this is a manufacturer to make this cabinet with some old technology, manually to bending, and especially here you see this is a winding, spool winding with a tapping solution, and with painting you see here is very bad, not good looks. Okay, but you see here we make some change with robot bending and with just galvanized, and this is insert. So this is much nice. Also with UV printing, and change this style with more efficient solution. Okay.
What did you call this? What type of printing?
UV printing. We will show this machine. So this is the okay. For electrical cabinet, we supply a lot of solution. Also stud winding.
Okay.
Also, but here is the not change. But this is really bad things. Very pity. But if they change to counterforming, it's perfect. Let's see the counterforming because you are interested in the counterforming. Okay. So this is some application. This is also electric cabinet industry. We call it bus bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have a machine to bend this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And you have one here that you can show?
Here, no, but we can show the videos.
Okay.
Okay. And this is also solution because it's a grooving machine.
Okay.
Yes. This is a punching, shearing, combination machines. Okay. Also, you have some laser customers. So this is a deburring system.
Yeah.
Maybe we can see later. Okay.
Yeah. I'll use that. And you sell also this machine?
Yes. This is for air conditioner. So we call it self-clinching
Self-clinching.
to joint.
Yeah.
Okay. Tox.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Because I'm working in Tox, China before. Okay. For 3-4 years. Okay. And this is riveting. So after that, a lot of solution, we call it assembly, like a fastener insertion to assembly PCB board. So this is really some before we only know the cutting bending. This is important, but after that there is a lot of like painting or this is a gasket is important. Okay, we will show this information. Okay, like this is a cabinet. Even you just very easy to make. For example, here you just make a stud winding. Stud. Okay, then you can buy standard bar to make this nice. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, all this we can give the customer complete solution. Even the hardware, the spool winding, automatically. Yesterday, there is a customer from Italy. They need automatic start winding and spot winding with two machine. Okay. Okay. So this is we call it the deburring machines. So it's manual. It's like you sell some deburring machines.
Yeah, we do.
I think you
Yeah.
you know very well,
Yeah,
but maybe we can check if you are
Interested, yeah. Sure.
yes interested. But this is a very good deburring solution. It's a manual. Even just one finger you can do with the vacuum system. I think for each fabrication factory could be this is necessary because it's very flexible to do. We can quick to change this tool with this to change. OK， 这个简单演示一下。先看一下这个 ，OK。You see, maybe with the air cutting.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can programming the speed. Okay.
But why would you use this machine instead of that one? Because of the cost.
Because the cost.
Cost.
Also is more flexible.
Okay.
Just a single piece, high thickness. 啊，这个换一下啊，换一个那个。We can because it's a entry level like a typing drilling machine. Okay, it's very helpful.
Yeah.
Because not every factory needs this actually.
Okay.
Just a few of them.
Yeah.
But maybe 100% fabrication sheet metal could be this. Yes. Okay, 这个也可以动一下，简单。We can change all this with this quickly. Yeah. Okay. We can adjust the speed. Okay.
这个现在就是导了一个微小的
This is a small edge rounding.
Oh, okay, see.
Okay. This is only surface. So we can change this very cheap. Also the price is good price for this.
这
And
里有很多不同的一些解决方案。
这个等会儿吧。Later we can see all these machines. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this only like a time saver, only the belt.
Yeah.
No brush.
Two belts.
2 volts.
Yeah, two belt. This is a two belt and the brush.
And the brush.
Okay, this is belt and brush. Okay. Okay, this is you know very much, but it's really simple, easy, and economic.
Okay.
This is we call it the manual tool, no, not automatic tool changer. So this is to with the simulation.
How much is this machine?
那个价格表带了吗？
要那个。
哦，这个问这个，问这台机多少钱吗？这还用给我看吗？你去给他看就行，没事，他客户没关系。
Minus. Plus, what is it?
That's very cheap. But if you now take that, you put the corners together. Put the corner.
We can put corner. We have corner tools because like a press brake. Yes. 那个折好的那一件儿。对，那这儿有一个盒子就行了嘛。啊，对，点焊机那个拿过来，那个盒子。下次还是要切一点那个，两个最好能够切换，快速切换就很好。OK， 对，我知道。OK， 尽量不要对着他们拍啊。OK， so this is a very yes. Okay, maybe this is also interesting. Bending machines. So we call it the automatic tool change. Like the tool changer, like a Savanini.
Yes, I can see that. I see that.
Yes. We also has automatic pen bender, tool change pen bender. Yes.
Can I see at the back?
Yes, you can see in the back. Okay. 它要扫描。If we scan, then they have to change. 对，你就动，让它换了，他们可以看到。OK。So this is automatic tool change press brake. Okay. Automatic tool change press brake. Okay. So we can quickly to change according our programming. We just scan the这里是怎么样？你解释一下。
这是折弯的一个数量和一个步序。
This is the bending sequence. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then angle flange. Okay. 好，那是不是扫描？从扫描开始。Okay. So we do this is like a kitchen cabinet. Okay. Inside actually you put some honey honeycomb.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a stainless steel, very nice kitchen in the cabinet in the kitchen. Okay, so we want to bending this with the package, but each panel is I just need one pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, then how to do this? It's difficult because it's small. It's difficult to in the Savanini even. Okay, because it's limited. But for this machine, we can quickly to do this only one single pieces, because all this we have software can be from the salespeople just measure on the side of the kitchen. Then we can quickly to go to the software and to change to the production orders with this barcode. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, we scan this,
这个会识别这个
then
长
they
宽
could recognize the lungs with this lungs, this with. Okay. This is a full electrical press brake. Okay. It's perfect bending. Okay. After that, just a scan.
我只需要扫码，不需要做任何动作。
Okay. No need any workers to change the toolings to see the 3D display. Okay. So now we are talking about our automatic tool change press brake. So this is quickly to give your efficiency to prepare time, not only bending. Also, this is a very fast accuracy and quick solution. Okay, so in one handling, you can do only small batch, automatic from the salespeople, the drawing, we can just scan. Even when we assembly, we also use this barcode to assembly parts. 这个还可以。Now, yes, now we change the material. 这个也可以折啊。OK， 周公研究的真好。OK。
What is the range of material thickness?
For this, because it's a special application, you see, our tool is a little bit like a pen bender. All the between is with this like corner
Yes,
toolings.
yes, I understand.
Okay, so this is also is a gooseneck. For this machine is only 1 millimeters, but we can do according 40. That means 2.5 completely. But just the tooling is different. Okay.
How long does it take to do a tool change? The tool change is a bit challenge.
3 years.
No. What I mean is if you have to change the tools to bend a different profile,
Okay.
how quick is that?
换一个刀大概要多长时间 ？This is a
2秒钟。
2-3 seconds. 2 seconds. It's
No. So if you want to remove,
okay.
if you want to remove,
啊，
yeah.
也可以换啊，上膜这里可以换的。
这里是上面是通用的，
对
下面只要换下面节就行了。
You see, this part is separately with
Yeah.
with this.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's 这个要换一下的话，大概30秒钟。
30秒肯定换不好，但锁螺丝要把那个基准对好，
OK
大概1分钟吧。
Maybe 1 minute for one piece
Okay.
to change.
But how do you change it? Do you have screws or?
Screw.
Okay.
Screw.
Okay.
Yes. OK.
失效了。
啊，那再说吧。OK。这个是 This is a 这个是干什么的？
这是 动
Okay, so this is a manual, also automatic. Okay, it depends. Sometimes we can use this option Z1, Z2 manual, but the machine is because this is we call it X1, X2, the machine. So sometimes not only to bending the triangle, but also maybe we can make them to adjustment because some package is not very precise, like Armada. Armada use X1, X2 to compensate the package system. Okay, so this is the same. Okay, 好，那我们去看。Okay, we see the some others. Okay, so this is all. This is a full electrical. Yes, yes. Even we can make a bending. 那就折一个。OK。这是多少吨的啊
6吨。
嗯 ，OK。
来，你来折，我忘了。
对，This is a 1610，要把型号贴在上面啊。那就先在这上折吧。
是的，准备好了吧
OK。OK。那你那个上面能折哪个就折哪个吗？能不能折？
暂时折不了
啊。OK，那就折这个吧。OK。这个能折不？
能折。
那折呀，你就折就行了。OK。Magnus, we bending in this machine because we don't very familiar with that. This is the tools already prepared.
Okay.
So this is a为啥要每一次要动一下呢？这不对啊！
没搞。
这个程序
OK. This is a 1210.
Sorry.
1210. And 600. OK. 把椅子拿过来，把那椅子拿过来，坐着折。快，跑快！就那椅子嘛，跑快呀！来，坐下来折。OK。So you see, only 6. This is 6-7 millimeters. To make this electrical change the stamping system, many stamping factory need a small machine. This part is totally around the 13 precise. So you see here, this is just one time to bending so critical parts.
You don't have the simulation on the.
This is no simulation, but the others have because we want to make this is a very nice price.
Okay.
If you see the price, you will be surprised. Okay, but basically function is very strong. This is like C-Black controller. Okay, totally here. If I want to make a new product, okay, this is a new. 先把这个语言换过来了。I change to English. Okay. Okay, you can see this is a we can create a new programming. Okay, then you agree. I can make a new one. Okay, then I can select the thickness, the material. Even I can put the database, the length, and the correction, everything here. And then I can select the real bending 100 or something because this is small parts. So I put 100. Okay. Then this is the tools. Because we have all the tools configurations, but actually we use this 来关机，关机做一个试教，OK。For example, I start to I start today, okay, because electrical no need adjustment, not like hydraulic. Every day maybe some change comparing yesterday. OK， 好，这个打开是吧？然后让它下来，做一个试教。对，对刀。用这个20%嘛，这不快一点吗？ So we just put this down. OK， 人站到这边来舒服一点嘛，别紧张，你别紧张。那上点胶不就不掉了吗？好，来。
它会自己
Okay, when they reach, you see the torque limited. Okay, then we just then it's automatic to make the reference. Okay, 好，后挡料还要做那个初始化吗？不需要了是吧？then we can start. 开始OK. Yes, then we can start bending. Okay, so this is with full electrical. So when we bending, we just programming angle length. 回到刚才那个程序 we can load. So this is automatic reference. So you don't need to input the height of the punch and die because we have the wheel. So easy to understand for the people. 就你刚才折的那个程序。We can loading. Okay. So this is 拿一个片子来，就讲一下嘛。就只有一片，那算了。Okay, so we can see this is the first bending here, then next bending. If because I have the same like mirror, so 好，这第一刀是折的是哪个？
第一刀折的是这边
OK, we bend here. OK, 在这里是哪里？是这条线吗？
就是
是不是这条线嘛？
对，就这里。
对。We bending, you see, we bending here, then here is a mirror, then I change to bending here, then step by step. angle length. So this price, the complete machine is a similar price DA53, or much cheaper than one controller price. Is complete machine.
Yeah, it's cheaper than the controller price. I understand. So if you have to change the controller, is it possible to change the controller so that you can see the simulation?
Okay, we have simulation. Let's say, but not this model.
But can you change this machine to?
Of course, I can put the lamp. I
the
sales to Knus. They need the system Knus, Germany.
Because in South Africa, our operators is not so skilled.
Okay.
So if you're gonna have to ask them to bend this, they're gonna get confused.
Yeah.
The simulation is important.
Yes, we have. Let's say this controller. This is a Black Touch 8. Okay, we can even change the lamp controller.
But and then the increase of price. You must just tell me how much it would.
A little bit, not so much.
Okay. But you can tell me how much.
Maybe 1,000 USD.
Then is
1,000
that all?
USD.
Did you change the lamp control in simulation?
Then I need a big, maybe 3,000 something. It depends their price.
Okay.
For us, is only for one controller only 1,500 somethings.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the difference
Okay. Maybe,
with the others. ESA,
okay.
DLM,
It's gonna
C
be
Black.
important for us. Yeah.
No problem. Yes, this is our Chinese same manufacturer for pen bender.
Okay.
This controller， 这里动一下，能动一下吗？这个可以折吗？
这个
折不了是吧？OK， OK， you see, it's the same. It's a angle length, one page. You can quickly to know. I'm sure you know everything. Even you see, it's very easy. Some like a TDC, like a pinch point, like a retraction, everything in one page. And this 这里是什么东西？
这里是它的当前的一个位置坐标。
Even we can change one of precise to make correction, not the complete precise. Or each bending sequence, I can single to change the. This is
这里有角度的一个校正和尺寸的一个校正。
this is the
全局的，就是所有的
the complete all of the dimension correction. This is a
这里是单步。
this is a single dimension correction. This is a single angle correction. So it's very details. 这边是
这是循环，这是单步。
okay. This is a cycle. This is one step. One. Okay.
模具的选择。
Okay. The tooling.
速度的设置。
Okay.
还有圆弧的设置，圆弧折弯的设置。
The radius bending. This is like a Hamming bending. Okay. Very details. Yes. Also, the tools can do two-way die, single-way die. So just with adapter.
Okay.
We can suitable to your current press brake toolings.
But you see, that was my question on that
Okay.
machine. This machine, the tool changes quickly. Just release.
Yes.
Take out the key. That one is a bit longer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that one over there. Okay.
Yes. It's a different because this is a for the automatic change design, especially to suit. Okay.
But that works on the. That is like the concept of the panel bender.
Yes. For some automatic line, we have checked even in Chinese elevator manufacturer with a press brake, robot press brake, it's fast than panel bender
Okay. Okay.
with this machine.
So
To
that
bending the panel of the elevators.
Okay.
It's fast than panel bender.
But why would you buy that machine instead of that one?
It's different application.
Okay.
It depends.
Depends. Okay.
Yes, because for this is not a big volume. It's for each is only one pieces.
Okay.
If I make a cabinet, maybe the upper, lower, the side, and bottom, all of them is single pieces. I make a customized cabinet. How you do this? It's impossible.
Yeah. No.
Then you lose money to do this. You cannot to get the money. Okay, but this investment and the idea start from the design software. If you are interested in this field, now it's very hot in China because the generation 6 kitchen cabinet business is very good because everybody want to enjoy nice kitchen. So before from Italy, from Japan, very expensive luxury cabinet, but China make it very cheap,
Okay.
very high quality.
Affordable.
Yes, affordable.
And which one has the simulation? I just want to see what the simulation looks like.
Maybe we can see this.
But yeah, this one I understand. But on the press brake, it would be interesting for me to see. You don't have
This one we are.
even.
This is only 2D. You want the 3D,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, but for this controller we can have only 2D.
Okay.
But if you need a 3D also is available. But unfortunately here I don't have.
Okay.
But I can give you maybe send you some videos
Yes. Sure.
for Chinese, no problem. Because you know I'm the general manager of Ciblec for 7 years in China.
Okay. Okay.
So I sales all the Ciblec controller to manufacturer, like Yahweh, like SPS, like ACL. Before I working also in ACL. It's a big manufacturer for press brake. Maybe you know. Before I work with TRM in South Africa.
Yeah.
When I working in ACL, I'm sales director for overseas market.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I understand.
Okay. Because the electrical changed the world. Maybe I can explain what is electrical press brake. 就是那个速度。You know the hydraulic press brake has fast approach and change to 0 to pinch point. Okay, fast maybe 200 millimeters and stop to pinch point from safety point to pinch point to 0. Okay, because why they need 0? Because that is a hydraulic press brake. The 2-cylinder need suction from the oil tank. Okay, they need time. Okay, but the electrical directly from 150 or 200 millimeter per second directly to bending speed. No need to 0, then increase to 10 or 15, then fast return. So that's why for electrical press brake, now only 1 second you can bending one process. And the hydraulic is around 3 seconds. Okay, so like you see, all China has electrical car, 50–80% change. Even more and more, maybe 10%, 20% petrol car. Everybody like electrical car because this is very stable, energy saving, high speed. And then we have electrical. Then the technology for small press brake change the theory, because most manufacturer of press brake only can produce more than 80 ton press brake. This is maybe a reference. We call it a hybrid
Hybrid, yeah.
with electrical motor and tank oil. So why we make a single cylinder? Because it's difficult to make Y1, Y2 synchronized if it's a small, less than 60 ton, 50 ton press brake. So Zhongf make the small press brake expensive with hydraulic. But when we start full electrical, everything change very easy. From we can do 3 ton, 12 ton, 6 ton, very fast and easy to control the speed, balance, single motor, two motors. 这个是2个电机还是1个电机的？ This is one axis, but if you bending here, still a little bit risk. But we can do even 12 ton, 600, two motors. But this also we have a triangle solution. Okay, with one motor but two guide to make them balance. So the theory in China, a lot of like bus bar, the small parts easily to bending, but stupid because the manufacturer push the user stupid to bending the small parts. 2 or 3 people to bending a small parts in a 103-meter press brake. Why? Because not available, affordable small press brake. You should separate with the theory is one electrical press brake with one insertion machine. Okay, and the big machine with pen benders to bending big parts, like here, to bending with the bending followers to make some heavy duty hemming or something. Okay, so the bending is most critical things. You need organize. 哦，这上面好像是有模拟显示吧？
这个有
Yes. This is a Taiwan
新单，
controller.
Celtic.
Yes. 这个模拟在哪里？
有一个电子方，有一个图形电台，有个图形电台。
嗯。嗯。Okay, minus. You see, this is a 2D. 那个上面好像也有吧？
那个
那一台那你要演示这个
这是范围的一个。
It's only 2D, but we have available 3D.
Okay.
But not like 69. So nice currently. Okay, but it works. Yes, yes. This is hydraulic. 这个折不折的问题不大了。OK， 这不用折了啊。最主要是这个能动吗 ？OK， 下次就 This is a sheet follower， 这个催他们一下啊，快一点，不然的话真耽误事儿。你们要 So the sheet followers can be very good business, I think, because not everybody can affordable hand bender, but they have problems. This, so this theory is we just connection, no need to connection with controller. So we just has a quick connection with any model press brake. 就让它单独动不可以吗？那个随动啊，自己动嘛，不跟折弯机联动嘛。OK. So we just connection additional linear encoder.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Then
Yeah, I understand.
then they can measure the upper beam speed.
And that goes out to.
I didn't know that to compensate.
Yeah, I don't need any additional axis with controller. So we can quickly to add with any press brake, even upstroke Armada press brake, it can be works. If you don't need, you just move it to put in some place. So there are two motors. 啊，这是一个电机的，这为啥搞个这一款呢？
他们说这一款实际买的话，这一款卖的比较便宜。
啊，我怎么搞不懂了？现在很奇怪了啊。OK， 啊，可以单独动是吧？都不知道。OK， 不能动就算了，没演示过啊，所以
Okay. Very
Yes.
nice.
Okay. We can show you some video because we need to assemble the linear encoder.
Yeah.
Yes. But it's can be working only to move this and up the same level with the V die. Okay.
I just want to have a look at the tuning cabinet.
好，对，OK，
这个单层承重300公斤。
This is for one layer 300 kilogram.
Okay, 300 kilograms.
Yes. 下面拿出来看一下。
I'm thinking one about something like this just for the show. Yeah.
Yes, this is a wing bend for stainless steel.
So,
没事，
and
就
also-
放在那儿，就放在那儿。
And you can get Villa style and Promocam style tooling.
Yes,
So
yes,
we can decide between which.
yes, 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 yes. Even we can make some customized design.
Okay.
Yes,
But we just have to provide the drawings and then
yes,
you'll tell us the
yes,
schedule.
yes, 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 yes. All this available.
Yes. And also you can make can you make it mobile? Put it on casters.
可以装轮子吧？可能装不行，太重了，一层300公斤，one 300 kilogram.
Oh, it's good.
How heavy it is?
Okay.
No sense because it's very heavy duty. It's not a toy. Okay. It's like Armada
Okay.
cabinet. Yes.
Nice.
Okay. So now we see the counterforming machine. 这谁来演示啊？ So the counterforming is because this is very traditional. This is like we have seen in the beginning. So it's a problem if you need a big radius. Okay. Now first we make a pre-bending in press brake. Okay, then we leave the corner. Okay. 最好是把门要关起来才有神秘感，听懂了吗？你们都不关门的啊，要给我把门关上，不允许他看里边啊。等会儿他求我一下，我再给他看啊，给他看半个门打开啊，门也不会关啊。OK， 来研究怎么关门啊。OK。
So the trimming takes place after forming, correct? Trimming.
Yes, it's
forming.
after forming.
Okay.
Yes, but one times. Another manufacturer in Australia, they do 2 times.
Form then cut.
Yes, but they come out to make cut, take out. But we do in 1 times. OK， 关门会关了。OK， 好，再来一个。OK。
这心都不要了。哎，这项目比较低了，那个嘛，你现在，continue cuts off.
Yeah, that's after.
OK，
现在还有一个2次同行的功能，这里可以更平滑，
哦，
稍微滚2次。
OK， Now we have a function. Maybe the second forming make this more smooth.
Yes.
来演示一下，可以演示是吧？2 times forming make more strong.
It's not being proper.
你刚才好像都没放好。Okay, the second time. 这个比这个好是吧？
这里会很光。
哦 it's more
Smoother.
yes, smoother. Yes.
How does
Okay.
this compare to what you did?
If you have big parts, so if you have a big cabinet, then you with this support to do.
Excellent material. Range from 0.9 to 3 millimeter. Material thickness.
Yes,
What is the maximum? 3 mil. 3 millimeter.
3 millimeter. It's possible. It's a mild steel or stainless steel.
And aluminium.
Aluminum, no problem. Aluminum for sure. Aluminum is very easy because aluminum easy to make higher. The most critical 304 stainless steel is more critical. 不锈钢的那个应该是不锈钢是吧？ And the small radius for us is difficult. If you have a big radius, then it's more easy. But if you make a small radius and stainless steel and high flange, it's a challenge. But normally we say it's 25. It's no any doubt, 25. But now we are more and more, we can do sometimes 32, the flange height. Okay.
And that's your maximum. You can't go a lot higher than 35, 40 millimeter.
Maybe some aluminum we can do 35. It depends the material.
And in terms of 0.9 material, 0.9, what is the max you can use?
0.9, no issue, no problem. what material? What
mild steel.
mild steel？ 0.9的板的话，能够做到多少？0.9碳钢。
0.9的话，
啊？
最多做20可能应该在15、16这个样子。
哦 ，maximum 20，
20
but 18, 15, it's no
problem.
no problem.
20.
Yes, but sometimes they use pre-painting, pre-coating material. It depends. Maybe with some tape. Okay, maybe with some protection, it's possible. Otherwise, we will damage the painting.
The forming tool.
Yes,
You can have different radiuses on each corner.
of course. You see, it's R4. Maybe here is R2.
Yes.
R3.7. You can even do it by yourself. It's just a square
Yes,
tooth.
it's a square plate.
Only we can quickly to change our tools. I think you have know the other machines. 这个换上模，大概讲一下啊。换上模，We have fast to change the tools. Only one guy. We just take out this, then we can
然后这两个掀开来，这里有销子的，然后拉出来就行。
just one people to move because we have a support. Okay. The others very difficult. 2 people to change.
The guillotine. The
Okay.
guillotine.
Yes.
You need to readjust if you're now forming 1 millimeter and now you go to 3 millimeter. Is there any adjustment on the guillotine?
No adjustment.
No adjustment.
好，这里看一下那个间隙怎么调的。So 慢一点，慢一点，你回到原始。OK。啊，回到前面啊，就是。OK, you see, we have 你得让我说话嘞啊。So we can select the main menu， 换成英语了。好吧，开始吧，往下。Okay, so we can see this is a steel, aluminum, stainless steel. Okay, then we have the numbers of the tooling 1 to 9, 11 to 19. Okay, we can management as a warehouse the numbers. Okay.
Sorry, when you refer to the tooling, what tooling is it?
It's just RSM gave some reference. Maybe you can easy like the press brake tooling. You gave the numbers of the tools. 1 to 9 is for mild steel.
Okay.
Okay, just an example.
Okay.
It's
No,
not very
I just
critical.
wanted to find
Yes.
out where the tooling is.
But your question is when we change the thickness
Yes.
is 0.85, then the gap between this to this is this. And this is we gave some database, but you can change yourself and we can programming. 这个现在是多厚的板？来拿一块那个板。
So you can compensate the guillotine for different
Yes.
material thickness.
Yes, this is the 1.5. OK. 好，那么你现在选的是 1.5 是吧？ OK. Then for the forming, 他现在问的是剪板的时候，那么不同的厚度，我的间隙是为什么可以不调？
这个跟这个厚度有关系。
对，那为什么间隙可以不调？
剪板的间隙不调的。
为什么？对，
按道理应该是20%的一个间隙。
不，它这个剪板，因为这下面是一个齿轮起调的机构
左右没有上下。
啊，不是，它这个搓出去的时候它是不调的。他在问我这个问题，我有点解释不清楚。OK， 啊，我现在讲的是这个压的间隙是调的，这个刀是在这里面 ，the shearing is inside， 这个是切刀是怎么工作的
切刀在上面。
？OK，
对，切它，
OK，
它会就一直下到模具下边。
OK. We just keep the flange. We calculate the flange. Yes. Even this is a 1 millimeters, 1.5 meter. I don't care about this. I just
You're going to just shear it off.
yes share it off.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you possibly just simulate 1 2 millimeter and a millimeter? Have you got some samples there or not? I just want to have a look.
You want to make a
Different material size corner.
OK？ 现在能换一种材料吗？有换一种材料的吗？就不同的厚度啊？我们还是不专业，没有考虑客户。
搞了一晚上，
我知道
只有这一个效果最好。
啊，没事，拿一个其他材质的效果不太好，跟他说一下，因为我得要试一下，还是说就没有？没有是吧
材料没有1.5。
？OK，
Yeah, no. You got different. You got put 4 different radiuses on one tool.
I only have this material,
Okay.
but you see, it's different. Even we can do all the different material because it's not a okay. We can also do this with this and radius because a lot of cabinets outside, air conditioner outside need for water, so it's very good. Also some doors for computer, they have a radius here, then they need a door exactly meet this. They make very nice the frame of the cabinet with the bigger radius, but the door they need this.
Can I take a picture?
Yes, of course.
This one's working.
Sometimes the cabinet they want to bending two bending, so we can bending here and here. Then the corner we can do maybe we bending this side two bending, and here corner one corner, yes, and here two bending. Also is available.
You can also just send us maybe some samples for our show. This is nice.
Yeah, that's a good little piece there.
Yeah, this is quite.
Awesome, yeah.
That is very interesting. And I think is this after forming? Is this what?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our forming. Just change the lower tooth.
The end tools for the press brake.
Yeah, I got a form on the more model.
The press brake tooling for you.
OK， 展开料了。
You need one for every material thickness like normal tools.
No, I will show you. Yes, this is very easy. 是在哪个模具啊？啊。OK， we just any length for any length, you just need one of this. This is a standard. Understand? Okay, then you can do just the polish here. 折一个吧，要么，这不需要对线的，左右，So this is a pre-bending in press brake， 就把它都折完嘛。Okay, then come here to make the forming. So this is a
which is interesting and we have to check.
有一个圆洞洞的那个件儿在哪儿啊？我怎么问了这么多天了也找不到啊？
那个插的嘛，
啊
Have a discussion. We'll show you
啊
the answer.
就回头拿过来吧，反正现在不用了，就是都放在这儿啊。就是这是哪里的琴棋啊？你要记住我的指示。
昨天太忙了。
OK， 好，我知道，很辛苦啊。
Take the
好
cylinder up.
，Sorry，
Can you just move the cylinder up?
move the roller up.
啊 OK， 把那个滚
I want it up there.
all of the working we can manual。Yes,
So.
yes.
What is that? Is that the adjustment?
To quick, like to change the tires
Yeah.
in car shop.
No. That's what. No, I know.
Yes,
But I want to know what do you do? What's the function here?
because if you have a different radius,
Yeah.
you need to change the rollers.
Okay, and you have to adjust it like that.
Yes, because the others very stupid. Two people put like this. Oh, flew out.
Okay.
But this is just take out this, send out one people quickly. I need only 20 minutes, but the others need around 35 minutes for one times, two people.
Can you show us how to change the roller? Can they just take it out?
20 minutes.
Okay, okay,
I
okay,
just want to see because I mean,
okay.
The range of that
Yes.
roller.
Yes,
How many different radiuses can you do before you need to change?
it depends your requirement. This is like the punch tools. You need 20, then we make 20. If you need 35, I make 35. This is the most expensive tools.
Yes. You've got all these different radiuses here.
Okay?
Can you use this tool for all of these?
No.
Okay.
No.
So every radius you need a different tool.
Yes.
Different roller.
Yes, that's why you need to change.
Okay.
But if you only do the cabinet, normally you just need one radius. I know people to measure how much it is, just for safety, for outside safety.
So for every radius tool.
他想换一下这个，你给他换一下啊。
yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I thought there may be a range that you can use a single roller.
Now, but for me, I understood that because if you change that block like this, you're gonna have to change the
Take the
roller.
tool.
Change the roller.
OK， 好，太好了，这个很有典型的嘛，你看，here， 这是脚成型的是吧？是脚成型的是吧？是脚成型的是吧
What is this What is the smallest space here that you can extend this to?
啊 ，good question。这里留多大的距离？一般就如果折2刀，
这个的话就看那个下面的方模的大小，现在方模是150，大于150就可以。
Probably the length of that.
it depends the lower tools because the lower tools if you make 100 you think then it's 100.
Okay.
Yes, but maybe we can make some special because I have another support here. So normally if you don't necessarily this, we do 150. So this is 150. But 但是不是，但是有很多他就做的这么多就可以了，它只是这个转角这部分不会这么大。
这样的话就是需要在方模的底下再洗一刀。
Okay, If you need some special, very quick， 好，放进去啊，very fast.
There's a boermaker plant there.
Yes, but the others from I don't
Yeah,
say
yeah.
their name. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
they are not easy.
Okay. Yeah, now I need to understand what that is because a customer that does not understand the machine
Yes,
would automatically think that supports the tool.
yes,
You understand that? That's
yes,
a problem.
yes,
So that is just to remove the tool and put it back. That's it. That's support.
yes, yes. It's a support. How fast it is?
But you know, I know how people
根本不需要15分钟，像王宇这个水平的话，5分钟啊，5分钟就解决。但是其他家真的2个人要20分钟。OK，
Maybe a little bit more sophisticated.
also we have a servo motor with hydraulic servo drive.
Okay.
The others AC motors.
Sorry, is
The others is AC motor. We use servo motor
Okay,
with this
okay.
machine.
To change the cutting blade.
剪板机的刀片的话，换是怎么换的
那麻烦一点。
？It's a little bit
Yeah, that's what I
complex.
just want to see.
Yes,
but how often do you change the cutting blade?
yes. It's not a big issues.
Okay. So when you change, let's say you change production, you change this and that, correct? Is that it?
Yes, yes. Normally, the working you just change this.
Those two things. But
Yes,
not the
not the blade. The blade, you know, it's a long time.
Yeah.
Yes, it's 剪板机一般用多少万次啊？至少10万次、100万次，可能 maybe 1 million times. How many formings you have to do?
But then to remove it, to sharpen it.
Yes,
That's a bit difficult.
you can order. Maybe you can order 2 pieces. It's not a big issues.
Okay.
Just take out this is one blade and 上面的刀片啊。
Okay.
Not a big job, not big, just a job.
Okay.
Comparing this,
Yeah.
but this is maybe 3-5 years one times.
Okay.
It's not a big.
So
If you pay tickets, I can send this guy.
Yeah,
I'll send a technician here for training.
Yes,
Can't.
you can come to training.
Yeah, no, I'll send a technician here for training. But
Yes,
just to confirm, so when you do production changeover, we only change that and that, okay?
yes, exactly. Then you just programming like
Program.
a shearing machine.
Okay.
Yes. All of the movement, manual mode, automatic mode, you can check. We sold many countries directly. The end user, they can't start. They never ask a question.
So are you the OEM for this machine?
Sorry?
Are you the OEM
Yes.
for this machine?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
where do
We
they
can.
manufacture them?
Okay.
Where's your manufacturing plant? Is it also close by?
Where do you manufacture these?
In Dongguan.
Okay.
Guangdong, near Shenzhen, near Shenzhen, Hong Kong. Okay.
So it's far
Yes,
from here.
yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay, then we see this is the assembly area. So after cutting, bending, now in China, we see it's a 3-package machine. The 3 package mean cutting, bending, insertion. It's must necessary. Let me show you some application. 你们准备一下，把压铆机给他们准备一下，你们去准备。Okay, this is a project. We do this project from cutting, pen bender bending, and laser winding, robot laser winding, and fastener insertion with a KUKA robot insert. and insertion centers and manual insert machines. It's so you see more and more popular because here we need to assemble a couple of the connector. This is in China we call it a new energy storage cabinet. Okay, so the fastener need assembly the electrical PCB board, electrical parts. So we do complete 10K solution.
Okay.
It looks just precise, but very critical because even Savanini do it very well bending, but how you make guarantee this is no change the positioning. Okay, actually, because here is a lot of cutting, here no cutting, then this widening will give some effect. Then later the positioning, especially in some positioning will very close. Then it's how to make insert. So all this we make a lot of research and developing to give the very happy with the customers result. Okay, let's say the manual insertion machine. Okay, 先找一台动一下吧。OK， 那或者我们就先看其他的。OK， because they need the connection. So we see the assembly like this is a very simple assembly. So just make a blind rivet. Okay. But this customer ordered us every month, 2 months, they ordered 1 million this blind and also ordered around 30 automatic riveting machines. So you know this is all the fasteners make. OK， 好，这个动一下啊，自动铆钉机。OK， 1号位来一下，你们2个一人拿一把枪，把枪记得打开。OK。是不是空压机打开没？那就先弄一把吧，你让周工先去研究一把。So this is we call it the rivet nut. Okay, in the electrical cabinet, a lot of rivet nut need to assemble. So we supply the tools. Yes, pop rivet. Yes. Yes. 搞不定啊 OK 是空压机坏了是吧？啊，那不是说昨天是空压机坏了吗？啊，
哦，这个气有点差了。气管。
那先看其他的吧。周工把这个罗柱焊演示一下。They need to some air. Yes.
Okay, we come back.
Yes. 来，先弄这个。This is a start widening because, for example, this is elevators.
You don't want to see the insert.
Yeah.
Okay, we will do right away. Okay, yes, but this is also in the cabinet. You also need.
Yes.
We have manual and automatic with ball feeders.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
那个能动就先去看那个吧。Okay, okay, come here to see. 别拿错了，昨天收工都拿错了，好像就是这个钉子。OK， 啊 ，OK， OK。等一下 ，OK。Now I have a computer. Maybe I need one, two, 3, 4 different. Because in the before, you know, the Hager solution in the beginning, like this parts, you see a lot of fastener to assembly. Okay, so we have to adjustment this. Okay, because all the control is button. Okay, because this is to control the force to change the NAS standoff. But this machine with automatic to give them the auto fading and the force sighting. Okay, one time handling. Okay, 好。好，等一下。Okay, so we programming. This is we call it the station one. Station one. Now we make a standoff. This is we call it the standoff. Okay, this is a standoff M3.5. Then they have the force automatically and the dwell time 6 pieces. Okay. 好 After 6 pieces, they will stop. Okay. 好，等一下。Okay. In case I have missing. Okay. Maybe the system missing one. 好，压呀，放上去啊。啊。But here, 这里计数了吗？ Still 4. Only 4. This is very important. Okay? Because if we make 100, one people missing one, it's big problems. Okay. Then we can continue. Number 5, then number 6. Because my target is 6. Okay. Here is I programming 6. Okay. Then they gave comments. I will change to another. Oh. Okay. I change to the station 2. Now green is station 2. Okay. Okay. 好。好 Station 2, how many pieces? Is 3 pieces. Okay. Okay. Then 3 pieces, we call it the start. Okay. Because the force, all the force is different. Okay. Then we change to station 3. Okay. This only 2 pieces, so I just manually.
Manual. Okay,
Yes.
Because I only see two photos there.
Yes.
That's
好。
coconut.
You see, we change the upper toolings automatically.
Pushes it up. It's higher than the material surface. And then it clears it up. Then I think you gotta put enough on there. Now you gotta
哎呦，这个钉子得去换一换。Okay, you see, very good quality.
Can you see? See the serration on the end.
有一份我们在印度的给我
他在讲，不要
That
管。
actually gets pressed into the material.
That's why it's altered.
他在解释。So this is the inside is a groove. Here also groove.
Yeah.
So when we insert, the sheet will clinching.
Okay.
So that's why we call it the self-clinching fasteners. Especially this is a, you see the groove. Okay, when we do this, this is 哪一个孔？
这个是这个，
这一个是吧？ Okay, when we press in, so this is the torque. This is the groove. The material go inside the groove, so it's very strong. So it's really you can investment this business. Very good.
Yeah, no,
Very-
another machine. The Hager presses.
But their service and the price.
Yeah, no. But that's
Okay.
why we use a lot of Hager presses.
Okay, you have a lot of.
Yes.
Okay, but you can buy fasteners from us.
This was a company I worked before.
Yes.
We don't sell inserts.
Okay. Just some weeks ago. Okay. But we can supply all the tooling with this package. Our tools compatible the Hager machines.
So they're interchangeable.
Yes. Compatible.
Oh, compatible.
Compatible. Okay. And also, if you have any spare parts, you can request from us. Because in the very beginning, we do the Hager machine in China. We make OEM in the beginning, the entry level. Okay, so we can give you the service.
Bear that in mind. Have a look at what we're doing now, and then take it from there. If there's a big market for it, it may be the odd ones.
Okay, so this is 那个手动的 This is a menu, very basic menu, different model. Okay, so this is we have one bowl, two bowl. 有哪个是手动的吗？手动的能打开吗？OK。演示一下防压手功能。先压一下嘛，先压个螺母，这不是有螺母吗？等一下。你先试一下嘛，空运转一下嘛。先压一个吧。So this is a M8. This is M8 nut. Okay. So this is the basic machine for each factory they need to have. Okay, 来压。 Okay, this is very simple and very easy. So we have the basic function. We just adjustment here.
Just the pressure.
Yes, just pressure. OK， 好，演示一下怎么调压力，把它调到最小，然后把它加压啊。This is we call it the manual mode. OK， 好，起来。OK， I put this, then 好压。OK。
Let it fall out.
It's not really, you see. OK， 好，起来。好，你来。一点点加压嘛。OK， 先踩下来嘛。OK， then I adjustment to see here if it's gap. You see the gap. 好，再加啊，好，再往下。OK, now it's no gap. Means finished. OK.
That's the right pressure.
Okay, then I change to the automatic mode. Okay, 好，再压一个。Then it's okay, very easy. And also we have a function we call it safety. Okay. For example, I put here. You see, outside. It's nothing outside. You see the gauge. So it's because there is a sensor. 好，关机，把电源关掉。Okay, open. For each time, the machine asks me to check the sensors. If this morning you check it's active, then this will protect your fingers. So it is a safety device. Very important. Okay. We have a menu with 1 ball, 2 ball, 4 ball, 12 ball. Let's see the automatic insertion center. 这个能动不？这个能动不 ？OK。For this machine, for this project, they have to use automatic. Manual is not possible. So we use. So your customer need this machine because
I want to take a video of it and show you.
yes, yes. So you see this is a path of the different fasteners. We can loading from import from DXF drawing. So this is because the automatic insertion center from the artificial intelligence technology changed the world, gave the big data. Everybody like the big data to learn, to use, enjoy the life. But to make the cabinet, the servo cabinet needs the technology because the computer manufacturer. But the computer manufacturer needs the structure of sheet metal. After bending, you need a big job. Is 好拿出来，OK， 好，好像还有另外一面吧。Okay, so this is to insert the nuts. Okay, I will need another side. Okay. Okay. So you see, we have reference. Otherwise, it's wrong. Okay. 等一下，等一下。Okay, 可以。You see, the flight is not really very straight, but the picture is very simple. But when we make an insert, we can make a guarantee this exactly in the center of the hole. 把那个盒子拿过来展示一下。等一下，等我讲完这个。This is the curve. Okay, we have a force sensor to detect if it's exactly even the hole is a bigger gap, then the machine will stop immediately. If you are missing one pieces, they will stop immediately. So this is a, you see, this is a very bad, but the quality of the insertion is qualified. Very nice. You see, all this is a flight on double side. I can add a robot to loading. So because the AI technology use computer, the computer needs a lot of hardware, the EPU, the CPU to assembly. So we need this technology. We call it the fastener insertion technology. So we make these parts. We make these parts from the current punching machine and first insertion. Then we put this because it's a small. It's not possible to bend in the pen bender. So we do it in the robot bending cell. Okay, this is the package parts. Okay, after bending the package parts, we can make an insertion and put a PCB board. Then we assemble 两个缝在一起。It's a package. Okay, then you just screw. You see, it's very nice. Okay, we use robot bending. Okay, and UV printing. This is UV printing. We will see. Okay, let's see all the example. You see the application of the computer industry. Okay, all this need to do. You can see this part double side. This is we call the inverter for power, electric power in China. We are leading the world because we need the power from solar, then inverter to change to the high voltage to low voltage transmit. Okay, so this is a big requirement. All this computer. Okay. In the computer also has a request. We call it the chamfer, countersink. So in the computer, manufacturer not need only laser cutting, they need make them flat. So another technology like the computer need we call it the countersink. Let's see the countersink request. if we need to make a blind rivet or make a 啊，这个机器动一下了，人呢 ？Okay, so because you only investment the laser cutting machine, but it's impossible to make a tapping and countersink. Okay, so with this CNC machine, you can do the tapping and countersink. Then I can make a blind rivet and also some insertion, make it flat.
You can also plunge and tap it. Right?
Yes,
Plunge it and then tap it.
yes,
So then I'll give you the
yes,
countersink
yes,
effect.
yes, yes, exactly. Mm, 我知道。So this is a CNC typing. 这个斩机你发现什么问题啊？都没有型号名称，logo 都没有，
这有
啊
logo 在那。
这有什么用啊？对呀、你们好像像小偷似的，一定要把它要做大嘛，讲解嘛 ，OK。新城要拍一些全局，就整个这个机器，不然别人看不到整个这个机器。从这边啊 ，OK 啊，This is tapping, this is chamfer, OK. So we take out this. Even you can put here, no problem. It's just an example, because if you have more than 1.5 or 1 millimeters, okay, this is more cheaper than fastener insertion, because I have a customer to make the adapter adapter of the electric power. Inside the plastic there is a sheet. They do because now in China is they can move in the table anywhere you can charge. Okay, this product they make only taping, because they don't, because if they buy the insertion center, it's too much for them.
Expensive.
But for this direct tapping, make a flaring, then tapping, it's enough. Laser, first laser, then flaring, punching, then tapping. Okay. So that means for assembly, we can do the stud winding, insertion, typing, anyway. So it's give the customer solution the best to. This is a leveling machine to make a straightening after perforation. OK， 这个倒动不动无所谓了，那个不需要了，不需要那个再说。这个其实他想看是吧？哦 ，OK， 那就先看他。啊，他问价格 ，OK， 啊，这可以动是吧 ？OK，Let's show this is a. For electric cabinet, any question?
Condo home.
Yes, exactly. We are use the same technology of Sandhoff. Another company is RAMP, RAMPF. Yes.
Facilities and not to say,
No, that's why.
just the chemicals, the base,
Yes.
and the base and the catalyst.
We have the chemical package, good price.
Yeah. What is the shelf life of it? 6 months? The
Uh,
shelf life.
The warranty, you mean?
No. How long can you keep the product on the shelf, the chemical?
1 year.
Is it 1 year?
Yeah,
Yes.
expiry date.
If you don't open more than 1 year. Yes.
But if you open,
If it's open, maybe half year, 1 year, it's around. Yes.
You see, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that if you don't use it, that you clean it. Otherwise, it solidifies.
No, we have no trouble for this.
No.
Not.
So you can flush the system.
We can automatic cleaning.
Okay. So you can
Yes.
automatically flush it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Maybe you have big holiday, you just take because mixing cup, put in the chemical, put in the water,
Yes.
then it's okay.
Okay.
Very simple, 1 minute's job. So you see, this is for this job is very easy, but to make a very thin, less than 5 millimeters, it's not easy. We need to control. Now they make automatic cleaning. Yes.
You don't change the nozzle, eh?
No.
To slow down the process.
Yes. But if you want to do this, we have nozzle different, lungs, the diameters. Yes. But even in this nozzle, we can do 20. We have database. We just change the database here. 那个参数是在这儿是吧？
附加量
Okay, our proportion is 5 to 1, so we can give the volume of the gasket. Our tolerance, we can give guarantee 0.1. So it's
On the width.
yes.
And the height
Height is depends
on the
the
expansion.
yes. It's not our technology.
That's in the chemical.
Yes, it's chemical. You see, it's very precise, very precise, and quickly, and one time to realize.
It's only 2D, eh? Not 3D.
Actually, this machine can do 3D already. For example, if you have
Contour.
a step,
Yeah.
we can program because we have z-axis.
Okay.
But if you need really 3D, I have a robot
Okay, they can do a complete contour.
complete. So this is only for electric cabinet industry. But if you have like some other car industry, then will be have good benefit. We can do. We have very strong development technology. Okay.
And your importation, that has to be if you import the materials, because it's a hazardous material.
We have all the certificate you
Have
can
all the
import.
certificates? Okay.
Also very good price.
Okay.
This is a good business. Sales machine, small profit, but continuous glue.
You can make a toll or car, but you can get the chemicals. How much is the chemicals?
那个胶水什么价格？Maybe Annie can give
Yeah,
you
Annie
the
can fix
price.
it. Yeah, no,
Yes. 就最常规的。Okay. Yes, we can even just replace if they have Sandhoff. Maybe we can some solution to replace with our chemical. It's possible.
Why do you say it's not the same chemical?
Because the Sandhoff and Ramp, they have a lot of different model. It depends your temperature because your country is hot. It's different. And Shanghai, it's more humidity. So they gave different
Yeah,
specifications.
but I mean, if you, they can give you the chemical composition.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes. 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 Okay.
Yeah, maybe have a look at something like that.
回头你给他看，你给他看可以。OK， 这可以啦。OK。So this is a leveling machine. So the leveling machine is we call it a precise. After cutting or punching, especially 让他掰一下，这个是不是太多了？用哪块板给他试一下就行了，随便找一块嘛。你调好的是哪一块？啊，那就拿这个嘛。So this is the perforation. The perforation after punching is a big problem. It's impossible to cutting in laser because this is very small and very close. 把它搞个变形啊！哦哦，用脚，对 ，very strong, very heavy. OK， 那边再踩一脚，再反过来再踩一脚。OK， 好，擦一擦，好 ，OK。So for leveling, we call it the two model. One is we call it the straightening machine. Another is a leveling machine. 放在那上面，哎，你这个动作不对，我教你要这样子，这个有点，要听这个声音啊，So the leveling technology is we call it the 4-layer. The 4-layer, that means the upper leveling, lower leveling, the upper support, the lower support. 4 layers rollers. Okay, the 4 layers rollers, like if it's up, then I make them down. So the 3 roller like a bridge to make them down, like a roll forming machine. Step by step, then it's finished. Then I just adjustment. This is a minus, and here is exactly the gap of the thickness of the sheet. Then they step by step to make them leveling.
What's the
Okay.
maximum thickness?
This is the small machine. It's 800 is from 0.8. But unfortunately, I cannot give you the. This is stainless steel. This is mild steel. This is aluminum. So it depends the length like a bending. If the width is long, then the thickness will reduce. So actually, I cannot say this is 3 millimeters.
Okay.
It's, for example, this machine 800. If I put 400, it's 3 millimeter. But 800, it's only 2.5. Okay. So this is we call it the UV printing machine. This is a flat table, flat bed, UV printing. The work theory is the same like advertisement injection. The printing, inject printing. Okay. So the old technology to make a cabinet with this, we call it the silk screen. Yes, the problems if I have a big cabinet. How you do this? Okay. Another problems, the oil of the silk screen. It's not allowed to put in the water. Okay, you have to, in China, you have to collection from the government. You need to pay, but you need to pay. But this ink, you can, it's a standard advertisement you can buy in the market easily, very cheap. Then you can put this ink in the water.
Doesn't contaminate it.
Yes. Okay. So this machine gave the sheet metal more fresh, more nice, like the EV charger cabinet. If you put the menu, you put the different color, the people like it very much. So this is improve the value of the sheet metal works. Okay. So it's not only to the sheet metal, also in the plastic, in the all the material, even in the wooden, in the steel, all the stone you can do.
这个局面呢，
打得了吧？打不了就算了，没关系的。
那
他们只是
个我找不到了，但是随便在那纸上打可以打，
啊，OK，可以啊。
找个位置。
这些东西就是要反复的练。OK， OK。这高度注意哦，会不会它就拿走这些东西都拿走，别等会儿撞了你这个高度。
We know the printing industry. But if you've got a standard product, you manufacture it. If you want to do the labeling of the
Yeah, makes sense.
what they use, they like to nickel.
Yes, we use Ricoh's option. Normally, it's a Japanese company. Ricoh's G6, the printing height, and 4 different colors ink. This is option. You can have more, but for 4 side is 4 color is enough. Then with computer standard software, Adobe, Illustrate, some advertisement software, then you can working. This is not a ball screw linear guide. It's a magnetic. So it's like a magnetic train. It's very smooth. And here is vacuum. All this has vacuum. So if you put paper, they can suction. Yes. And make very high speed to moving. The important is we have a 300 height can up down because after bending the panel. So we put the advertisement technology in industry. So this is improve the industry.没开嘛就重打呗。
Printing white, you don't see it. It's a white color.
Yeah. So the UV is light to heating after printing.
Yeah, yes. Okay, 21.
Yeah, that I see.
这个是叫磁悬浮，你看着它就很轻松嘛。啊，它不像我们传统的丝杠啊，它会有声音嘛，你看，所以它就保证它的精度。这要打一会儿了 ，OK， 这是不是要啊？啊，那你这个设计以后设计太复杂了，一定要设计 ，OK。So they make the white background, then another color. OK, let's see some others. OK， 你继续打就行了嘛。The design is very easy. 啊，光先看你这个，你这是怎么设计的？用的什么软件啊？
就是 PS 嘛，因为绘图软件
啊
画图。
It's a standard advertisement. Photoshop. OK， 然后
里面画图，然后
if you have the drawing， 你要近一点，那么远，你看得见吗？啊 ，OK。Okay, you can adjustment. This is their technology, not our technology. Okay, then we can make 打的 ERSM OK。OK。中午看吧，等会儿看吧，不着急。现在几点？啊，不行就
跟我说，就是他想那个表格前定制颜色，还有他的 logo， 我说没
可以
问题。
可以。晚上我跟他们吃饭啊。OK, this is the tool grinder. We have customer in South Africa. Okay, this is a tool grinding the Tong's Armada tools.
Okay.
Okay. So just put here, then they can grinding the flight station A, B, C, D, and even the roof. With roof, we can adjustment.
That's gonna do the radius and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
Just put inside and open and sharpening different. Okay.
And the die,
Yes, this is the die.
wire cut, right?
This is the die.
Yeah.
Because it's broken, then I just remove. If you put in the standard
Wire cutting. Then
no,
grinding. Oh,
this
standard grinding.
standard grinding,
Yeah.
it will heat treatment. Then the material will be soft because we use special wheel. This special wheel we call it the CBN wheel. So it will not hardening because you have the water cooling during
Process.
the process of grinding. Then you lose the hardening.
Yeah.
But this is a professional. You just put there and drink coffee. Finish.
Come back.
Yes. This is cutting the
这个脚量，昨天抬起来到脚量断。
okay. The grinding for the weak grooving, you don't need. This is a torque clinching. Like, okay. So we can joint two pieces with the self clinching to instead of winding, spot winding. Okay, it's better because all the air conditioner they use galvanized. If you make a spot winding, then you will damage the coating. This is a very good, very standard way for air conditioner.
Automotive as well, they use it.
Yes, a lot. Yes, like the safety belts, the windows, the chairs, a lot of. So here we see the winding technology. The winding technology need many people want a robot, but the industry robot gave problems is training, programming. But this is we call it the cobot. The cobot can learning himself. So if you have one piece's works, you can use the cobot to teach them how to programming. Let me show how it works. 来，那就做一个试教嘛。啊，可以焊是吧？Okay. Now okay, you can winding. 好 ，OK， 不要用眼睛看啊。不要直接用眼睛看，甜甜啊，要把你眼睛烧坏啊。So the cobot just take the winding height 1, 2, 3, then they will go this line.
And how do you teach it?
Yes, auto teach.
Yeah.
OK， 来做一个试教吧。OK， 最好下次你们要学英文啊。OK， 等会儿，你要回过头来，这个是最重要的。OK。So this is a panel, because this panel not only to control the laser winding and all the robot. So we combination the laser winding parameters on this. Okay, and there are a lot of buttons. Okay, now it's fixed. 这是这个键是吧？ If I press this button, this is a bar. Okay, this is a button. Okay, I press this button. Okay, then it's green. Then I easily to move. Okay, first I use this to select. I want to widen. 那焊接，然后我再选工艺是吧？
对，
还是选这个是吧？
先选这里。
Okay, you can see there is two menu. This is we call it the customized flexible winding. This is a big quantity repeat winding. Now I select because I have only one pieces. Okay, I select here. Okay, then they give the how to programming and how to control all the menu here. 好，这个工艺现在是不是在这里头还有一个选那个什么 ？Okay, if I select the winding technology, So you can see I need this widening, this widening, this widening, and all the figures, thickness 5, and different model. You can select a lot of choice. 好，再往回是哪一个 ？OK， 好。Then we will has all the process. We need to make a new one. This is the new parts. 好，先要把它删除掉是吧？
对。清空。
Okay, I can clear. Okay, but I keep my basic widening technology here. Okay. Okay. First, we define the safety point. Here is the reference safety point. Then the machine will go back. Okay. Here, lower than the safety point is dangerous. Okay. 这是第一个点吗？
对，第一个点。
This 这个是，
这是第一个点。
This is 现在是第一个点是吧 ？This is the first point.
Starting point.
Okay, starting point. Then start the arc. Start widening. The third point. Okay. Then finish this widening. Okay.
Scan. Ja.
Okay, from this side, the first point. Okay, then start widening. The finishing. Okay, 然后 finish widening. 然后再回到，好，就这一个角吧，这是OK， then all the programming finished， OK， 好，可以了是吧
Now you take that program, you repeat it in 4 corners.
No, it's because I don't know that corner. I need to do
Okay, so you
that
need
corner.
to you need to go and put it in.
Same. Not so clever. OK， 好，然后 we make a simulation. Go to the safety point. OK， 可以了是吧 ？Then we start. OK， 按哪个？
模拟啊，汉庭。
汉吗？先轨迹模拟一下。刚才是单步模拟。Then the complete simulation.
创业打开。
Switch on the widening machine. Widening. OK, start widening. 这个是我们自己得的吗？折弯中心。
那个折弯机。
哦。OK， 这里有点烧，那个脚有点烧了，是吧？OK， 没关系。OK， this is arc widening. So we use magnet welding. It's the same. CO2. Yes.
Big
Yes.
welding.
Yes.
And this one you teach in a similar fashion.
Similar. Same. More easy and more request. 这里有焊好的吗？这里原来焊好的了，昨天焊的了。其实不是不用，就焊好的，昨天就不要扔掉，其实就摆在上面啊，就是焊好的有时候就留在这儿，就不一定每次都给他们演示，看看零成品就可以了。
这可以颜色淡一点。
啊
有两个太丑了，咱们有
没事，他理解了就行，就焊好的。
目前工艺还没学
行
会。
行，我们再试，挺好 ，very good。
You can save the program.
Yes, we can
If
save.
you got the whole lot, you can save the program.